In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with Google Ads so you can track and optimize your campaigns in one place. Start by logging into your HubSpot dashboard, then click on the settings icon and go to Marketing, then Ads. Inside the Ads tool, open the Accounts tab and click Connect Account, then choose Google Ads. Next, sign in with the Google account that manages your ad account and allow the permissions so HubSpot can access your campaign data. If you have multiple ad accounts, select the one you want to connect and confirm. Once connected, HubSpot will automatically enable tracking so it can monitor clicks, conversions, and performance data from your ads. You can also sync your tracking pixel to improve reporting and retargeting. After setup, head back to the Ads dashboard in HubSpot, where you'll start seeing your Google Ads data. From here, you can analyze performance, manage campaigns, and make improvements based on real insights. And that's it. You've successfully integrated HubSpot with Google Ads to streamline your advertising and improve your campaign tracking.